Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Owltron budget-friendly indoor security camera that works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I dive in, please do me a quick favor. If you end up liking my content or you find that this video is helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and also share it out. Now, also, if you want to receive or continue to receive content like this, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, let's go ahead and cover some of the quick features for this security camera. It does have 1080p resolution, and you do get 360 degrees full view, and that's day and night. So it does have night vision as well. And the reason why you get this 360 view is this allows you to go ahead and turn around and move in different directions with the pan and tilt. So that's pretty cool. And it also has infrared LEDs. It has auto switched from night today, depending on the light in the environment or in the room. And you also get complete panoramic scenes. Now, regarding storage, you're allowed to install a micro SD card, or you can use their cloud service. All right. Now, as far as the micro SD card, you can store up to 128 gigabytes. All right. So you do have those options there. And again, it works with Amazon. And again, forgive me for waking your devices up, but Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Now, as far as the recording or the storage, it can record video and audio for 24 hours a day, up to 21 days. All right, so that's pretty cool. And of course, it has motion detection and smart app alerts. All right, so if it notices motion, it will alert you as it's recording. All right, now this could be used as a pet or even a baby monitor, besides just an indoor security camera. So it does have that flexibility, and it records up to 15 seconds per video. It's automatically stored on, if you are using an SD card, it's automatically stored on the SD card, or if you're using cloud, it will be stored in the cloud. Again, you get 15 seconds of video. Okay. You have the options for two-way audio, and that way you can communicate from a distance in the room that the camera's in with someone that's there, and they can actually respond back to you as well. So you can hear each other back and forth. Now, as far as the setup and the network, it only works on a 2.4 gigahertz network. So you cannot use the 5 gigahertz network for this. It also states here, local AWS cloud server with privacy mode. All right. So this is referring to the cloud storage. Again, you get 14 days free. All right. Now it says cloud service offers a secure and data storage option. Your data is securely stored on a local AWS cloud server. No access to other countries. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. So with that stated, let's have a look at the box. All right. Again, as I mentioned earlier, 1080p Wi-Fi smart camera, Owltron. All right. Take a look at the back here. You do have the QR code to install the app that you would need to set this up. Again, it works with Google and Android and iOS. All right. Some of the options here, or the features, stuff that I've already talked about. All right. Let's turn it over here. Some more information. I won't spend a whole lot of time on this, but you can see what they have here. You can always pause this if you want to look at it a little bit further. With this stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Come on, rip through that. There we go. There we go. These are all the contents that's in the packaging. All right. You have the mounting, I guess you call it bracket, if you need to mount this. All right. Mounting screws and anchors. You have the cable, the power cable, which is type A to micro USB. All right, this thing states ruler for QR code net pairing. All right, and a set of instructions. All right, power plug. Last but not least, the Owltron security camera. All right, let's remove this. The different positions, one is facing forward, and I guess two showing it can go up and down. That's the different motions or different positions. So let's go ahead and get this removed. All right, there we go. And you can see right there, that's where the SD card would go. All right. Here, you can see where you will plug it in so it can get power, and there's a reset button right here that you would probably hold down for 3 seconds or so to reset it. And you can see in the back where it looks like the speaker or the audio will come out or go in. All right, so and of course you have the non-slip feet, 4 of them on the bottom. And this is where you will mount, well, attach the bracket if you need to mount it right in here. Okay, I'm not going to use this, but you do have that option. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing powered up and set up. All right, let's go ahead and get this powered and set up. Plug this in. Open this up. You can download it here, or let's see if there's going to be a file where it installs directly on your phone. Okay, it opens up to the Play Store. All right, let's go ahead and get that installed. Now, after you plug it in, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and do a hard reset. And you do so by pressing this button down. And then you're going to hear it say resetting.
Device reset.
All right. Now let's wait for that voice prompt that it's ready to connect. And once it does that, we can proceed. Should be soon. Give it a few more seconds.
Wait to connect.
There we go. All right, let's go ahead and scan this. It's already in that screen, but let's see here.
Start connect.
There we go. I did hear the prompt. Go ahead and close this. And I heard the prompt where it stated connect success. So let's give that a few minutes there. And there you have it, it's connected. You can see that it's moving around, or it was moving around. So you can go here and rename it. Tap the little pencil there. And we can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it test. All right. And it's already detecting motion. Tap done. And you can read all that good stuff and test. And go through those prompts. All right, and here you can see my video footage. All right, pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and open this on a wider screen so we can see it better. So let's come over here. Oh, I thought I had an icon already. Here we go. All right, so you can see top of Grogu's head here, and then you can see over here. And again, it tells you when motion has been detected. You have your options down here to for motion tracking, or let's see, let's go here. Oh, so you can do. All right, so you have your different options down here. If you want to do the pan tilt, this square inside of another, well, a set of brackets right here, this first option, you tap it, you see it goes in the landscape, and then you have your controls where you can pretty much control the camera, as you can see I'm doing now. Turn this way. So your pan and tilt, pretty nice. All right, let's go up. I wonder if you hold it, yeah, you can hold it down and move in your different directions. All right, pretty cool. Then if you want to go back to the previous screen, you can. You have here where you can take a picture. That's the two-way audio, and then you can do recording. All right, so I can snap a picture. You got to give it storage permissions. Let's go ahead and do so. There we go. That's a picture. Let's see. Open it up here, and there you have it. That's a picture. All right, let's go back. Now the second option is, again, is for your two-way audio. You press and hold it, and then you can say what you want to say, and then the other person can respond. All right. Now if I do it now, it's going to be feedback. So let me quickly do it so you can hear it, and then I'm going to go ahead and mute it. So to turn off the two-way audio, you would just tap mute. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Test. All right, so there you have it, nice and clear. All right, here we go. Hello. So as you can see, very clear out of this. All right, and then me talking from here, the feedback also came through the phone. So the two-way audio from this initial test seems to be pretty spot on. You can also change the quality too. I just saw that, let's see. Yeah, you can go from HD to standard. All right, and then of course here you can record. All right, now it's recording. All right, as you can see there. Pretty consistent. I don't really see much of a delay at all. And then when you're done recording, just press that button, you can view it. All right, let's go here, check it out. Pretty cool. Pretty consistent. First thing you need to do is enable the audio. Test. All right, let's check it out. It's going to be pretty messy, but we'll see here. Yeah, I don't want to hear that feedback too much, but as you can see, the audio just record with the video. You can either press and hold here and choose the one you want to delete, or if you wanted to clear all of them, just tap select all and then delete at the bottom here. Boom, they're all gone. All right, come back over here. Now you could pan and tilt by pressing over here with this directional pad, or you can move around yourself if you need to. All right, so pretty cool. All right, and then of course you can do up or down. So that's that 360 viewing that is referring to. And let's say you wanted to exit this screen, all right? This is the tracking or pan tilt screen I was on. You just press back on your phone. For me, I have it here. And I'm back here on that original screen. All right, here you can change the viewing. Okay. And then you have settings, those three dots I just pressed. Different options. You can set it up again with your assistants. And you have sleep mode, IR night mode, that's on auto. And then for sound, you can adjust the volume. All right. And all in all, you just have different settings here. I won't spend a lot of time on that. But as you can see, you have the different options. Okay. Go back and let's check this out. All right, you see what I just pushed here? I just pushed the two arrows or the double arrows, and you can look at playback, the gallery, theme color. Let's see here. If you want to do dark mode, you can do that. Private mode. So if you want the camera to be off, even though it's plugged in, you can go ahead and put in private mode. Let's see what happens to the actual lens. Well, I don't see anything different here, but it's showing that the camera is off. You just go ahead and press on, and then it turns it back on. All right, gallery, we already looked at, and then playback is for videos. All right, and you scroll down a little bit more. You have motion tracking, night mode, device, volume, motion detection. Let's see here, does it do auto tracking? So with motion tracking, it auto pans and tilts, it just follows. So once it sees movement, as you can see, it's moving now on its own without me even doing a direction or anything like that. It's moving on its own. I'll turn that motion off for right now. Okay, you have sound detection. So it can pick up sound, patrol, siren, and then you have the edit button. You have messages, directions, sight, and cloud. All right, so let's see, sound detection. Test, test. Hello, hello. See, it picked up my sound. But yeah, the rest should be self-explanatory. So all in all, I definitely think that this camera is pretty cool, especially for the price. Now, if you're interested in the Owltron camera, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my unboxing and review of the Owltron indoor security camera.